Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm unboxing DJI Osmo Action 4 action camera. This is the adventure combo. I have purchased this from JB Hi-Fi store in Australia, and this is normally priced at 819 Australian dollar, but nowadays you can get a Christmas discount of $117, so which will be now available for $649 AUD, which is quite a good deal. So let's see what's inside the box, what they have provided, and how it will be helpful for you to taking the adventurous action video. So this is the action camera, and this box is for some of the accessories, and this is the action camera holder. So let's see how does it look like. This is the action camera, and this is from the back, and both the screens are touch screen. And if you see in the middle here, it is a microphone, and these are the other slots. I will explain you later in the video. And this is the case. So this is the case for this action camera. So it will be protecting this action camera, and these are some of the accessories which you need to use when you are putting that on the different gadgets like helmet or your chest. So these are some of the things, accessories which you definitely need that. So these are the few accessories, and this is the tape with the, you can put up on a holder like any base on a helmet, or either you can put up on the car dash cam. So, and this is the extra batteries they have provided. So this is the charging cable, and this is again some of the accessories they have provided. And this is a beautiful small charging case, and that has 3 extra batteries, so which will be very helpful when you are using on a different projects. So roughly you have a quite a good backup for the battery. See all this, you can see the 3 batteries, and so that way you have quite a good time to shoot the videos. And this is the normal booklet and instructions and all that. And this is another filter which will be covering up the lens. So this is pretty much inside the box. This action camera has microphone on the front here, as you can see, and there is a microphone on the top also, so which is here, and that is very helpful to record the proper audio for your videos. this is the DJI handle grip, and this is a selfie stick also, and so you can see that which is quite a long, and you can take the long shots, and or either if you are like surfing you can hold like, or even paragliding you can hold like this, and record your action videos, so it will be very helpful. So this is pretty much inside this box of this DJI Osmo Action 4 Adventure Combo, and this is the action camera, as you can see that. So this is the beautiful action camera, and this is the protective case. So you can put the camera inside this case, and it has, these are two magnetic mounts. So one is longer, one is shorter as per your requirement, and these are the two screws. So you need to put up like this if you are putting that, and this is a type C charging cable, and this is the adhesive tape base, magnetic base. So you can stick that on any base which has a curve, so that you can, for example, on a helmet or in the car or anything. And it has this beautiful 3 batteries plus charging case, so you have quite a good battery backup for your beautiful videos. And so this is pretty much, and this is the, you know, the selfie stick plus the grip, and it can extend that, as you can see. So it is pretty long stick, so if you are doing surfing, or if you are doing hang gliding or skydiving, so you can use that. So it goes pretty long, so this will be very helpful. So this is all inside this adventure combo kit. I hope guys you enjoy this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.